All right, hey guys, this is Jason Gerald, and today I'm going to talk to you about how you can fix your YouTube channel on the very right hand side. And it's a very fast fix. This is going to be a very short video. Let me show you how right now. Okay guys, now since I'm in my channel, I want to be able to change these icons over here and make sure they show up correctly and make sure I have my links properly set up. So you don't do it anywhere else except for go to your About. When you're in your About page, there's nothing that you can change at this point, and you're going like, where do I go? All you have to do is hit on this blue icon that says Customize Channel. When you click on that Customize Channel, it will pop up and show your changes that you can log into. So now you can change, you see there's a little pencil here, you can change your description, you can change your email, and then down here you can actually add more channels or more information. I believe you can have up to 5. I'm not positive, I think it's only 5. Maybe more. No, you can have more, I think. Anyway, so you can have more than that, but you can delete them. And here's a little trick. If you remove the HTTPS, these little icons will show up properly for you. But if you leave the SSL certificate in here, it will show up as a little globe like that. And what you want to be able to do is remove the S on each one of these, and then boom, you're set, you're done. That's how easy it is to update your channel, your About page within YouTube. So if you like this video and you want to know more about what I do, subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification button. And if you have any other questions, make sure you go to my website, jasongerald.com, and you can comment on my posts that I'm going to be posting out there and let me know what you think. All right, guys, have a great day and go out and create multiple streams of income. Have a great day.